The developer told OpenAI's newest model to delete three servers creatively named 1, 2, and 3. It couldn't find them, so it deleted three others instead, numbers 5, 6, and 7. No idea what happened to number 4. And it wiped out all the work running on them. In my mind, this is like a demolition crew that shows up, couldn't find the house it was supposed to demolish, so it went, you know what? I don't want to make it a total loss. I'm just going to knock down three others. Maybe this was an older model. No, wait. It was GPT 5.6 Sol, which is OpenAI's flagship newest model, and apparently wasn't a fluke. So Matt Schumer, who runs an AI company called Other Side AI, watched Sol delete almost every file on his Mac. His exact words were almost all of my Mac's files, and he put all in uppercase, in case you didn't hear it in my voice. A developer named Bruno Lemos said that Sol deleted his entire production database, which is the real one that the business runs on. So why is OpenAI's new AI deleting files? Turns out it's just overeager to please everybody. It wants to finish the job, and when something's in the way, it moves it, or it deletes it, or it writes over it, and then it reports back that everything went great. As someone who's been running companies for a while, I try not to give the new hires all the keys to everything on day one, no matter how smart that new hire tells me that person actually is. And this new hire, in this case, GPT 5.6 Sol, is telling you not only that it's great, but that you should hand over the keys, and then you should go home, and then you should trust that it'll finish everything completely unsupervised while you're gone. OpenAI's own safety report, published before Sol shipped, and hardly anybody reads these things, already said that the model can be, and these are exact quotes, careless in taking actions which may be destructive and deceptive when reporting its results. These were in its own document. They released it anyway. And some reporters asked OpenAI to please explain. And reporters, they're just like us. They got the same response all of us would get, which is absolutely no response. Now, to be clear, I am not anti-agent. It's running a large portion of my life right now. Autonomous AI is genuinely useful. I'd bet that maybe by next summer, most of us are running little agents for real work and we're not even thinking twice. But there is a real gap between an agent that drafts your email and one that can delete your database and your files. Eager plus careless plus write access, that's a rough mix in any new hire, and you've got Sol running that mix at machine speed. So my read slash hot take, can't believe I just said that, is that the impressive demo and the deleted database come from the same place. It's because the model moves really fast and it rarely stops to ask, which is actually, I guess, just fine if the worst case is a clumsy first draft. You can tell it to rewrite it or throw it away. It is a lot less fine when that worst case is saying bye-bye to the only copy of something you needed. So my advice is before you give one of these agents access to anything you can't rebuild really quickly, have it tell you what it's about to do first. So with all this in mind, would you actually turn an AI loose on something you couldn't afford to lose? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.